You guys having fun?
Oh, okay.
Say hi. Watch the water because Mommy has the camera. Hey guys.
Hi.
You playing in the ultimate puddle of mud. Hey Gabers. Good times. Good times in the mud. Hello. Hi. What you doing, Eddie? Eddie, can you say happy birthday, great grandma?
Happy birthday, great grandma.
Look at the camera and say happy birthday, great grandma.
Happy birthday, great grandma.
Aw, say I love you.
I love you.
Gaby, say happy birthday. Gabies. Gabies.
Doesn't know. Doesn't know that say happy birthday.
No, he doesn't know how to say that yet. Gabers. Gabies. Ultimate fun. Mud. Fun on the cheap. Daphne's even out here.
Helicopter.
I think that's an airplane. Sounds like a single engine. Yep. That's a Cessna 152 it looks like. Good ear. Wow.
I don't need water anymore.
Yeah, I think that's enough watering. That's a pretty good puddle.
I think there's more ice cream.
Yeah.